Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke Jylla.
The National People's Party NPP Meghalaya Nohprah arhajar puar kelab Pdiang Burom Shongknor Barim ke Dorbar Thawain ke Jylla Meghalaya baru MLA Barim A T Mondal hak jingialang ke Shillong hak ophis treikam ke seng Shillong hak te ke sngi dan langru State Working President Bah DonKupar War Working President ke Phulbari Constituency Albistone A Sangma uPresident ke East Khasi Hills District Bah Jied Sing Kurbah uPresident ke NPYF Meghalaya, Bah Kitborlang Nongrem, State Secretary ke seng NPP Bah Bajop Pyngrope.
I'd like to thank the NPP under the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangma. That thank you very much that you have given us an opportunity to work with you in future. That we will work together hand in hand and try to get as much support as possible in the region where I belong and also other region wherever it is required my services are. Now many will ask that why I have finally chosen NPP. The best thing is that what I was thinking, considering my personal experience in politics from 1998, stability is the major factor for the overall development for the state. And in that place, I have seen in 1998, in 5 years, almost 5 governments were installed. So any government changes in between, there is change in the programs and policies, and ultimately whose benefit gets disrupted? It is the people of the state. Subsequent years also I have seen that even from the same dispensation, from the same political party, if the government is headed by their own MLA, but still there was change of guard, it could not continue more than 2-3 years, something like that we have seen when I was in Congress also. Then when we in opposition, I lost the election and we could not form the government. And I don't know how many times or how many days we spent just speculating that government will fall, government will fall, government will fall, because it was a conglomeration of 7 political parties at that particular point of time. So we were keeping on praying that let this government fall, we got an opportunity, so our chief minister will be there, ultimately we will get the benefit. But anytime such news come, next day we see that the government has come out much more stronger way. I thank Mr. Chief Minister that he has given his all efforts to see that the people of the state their benefits are not disrupted because the frequent fall of the government. And I have seen the cohesiveness among the leaders, the teamwork where every minister, MLAs, all were working together. Of course, today at the fag end of the term, maybe many will not be happy that this situation has come. Some may leave, some may go. It is something like we see the club football season starts and player changes the side. It happens in every states. It is a new trend that set in. Other things is that the localized development, in the sense, especially the poor people of the state, in the name of focus, ES plus, these programs, it may not be resonant in the capital because we don't know the problems through which the farmers are going through. In our area, very soon the irri cultivation will come and people will have to sow their rice for seedlings. And in that place, everybody is empty-handed because not much businesses are around. So people will be asking for money. And
day of happiness for us that Mr. A T Mondal has joined the National People's Party. But at the same time, while he joins the party, I would like to also declare as the National President of the National People's Party that Sri A T Mondal will be the candidate of the National People's Party in the coming 2023 elections for the Phulbari Constituency. Let there be no doubt about this. And I would want all our leaders of the National People's Party and all the leaders who are now joining and coming along with Sri A T Mondal that we need to work together as a team. We need to ensure that we come out victorious in this election in 2023 in Phulbari constituency. Mr. A T Mondal is a kind of person who we have all seen, a person who has always treated everybody equally. He has never differentiated between different communities and different religious groups. For him, all are the same. And he has ensured that he would take care of everybody in the past, and I'm sure that even in the coming days and years, he will always take all communities, all religious sects, all religious groups together and move forward. And I'm sure that that will be the way that he will function in the future also. At the same time, I would like to also say that with the coming in of Sri A T Mondal, the impact in the entire plain belt area will be felt. It is not just the Phulbari constituency, but constituencies adjacent to Phulbari. And wherever we have significant Muslim populations and other tribes and other groups and other religious groups, I'm sure that with the entry of Sri A T Mondal, the confidence level of these different groups in different parts of the state will definitely go up, and the impact will be felt throughout the plain belt, throughout Garo Hills and throughout the state.